Okay, turn around, okay. 上下 up and down 上下 Hello every customers, I'm Sean. Today I'm very excited and to show you all the Sany excavator stock in our company. So let me show you each of them. First of all, I would like to show you the Sany 205. Okay, let's enter into the cabin. Okay, first of all, let me show you the cabinet for this machine. So you can see almost automatic, and you can see the automatic spring control system, and it is almost new, no dust. Okay, and you can see here, control is very easy. You can use your feet to control, and you also can use your hand to control. It's easy control, so everybody can use this automatic machine very easy. So you don't need to worry about your work or your employees don't know they don't know how to operate this machine. It's very automatic. Okay, let's continue to show you more details for our machine. Okay, please follow my hand and see the engine. Engine is very good one, and you can see this engine is almost new, and this engine is from Japanese. So Mitsubishi, you can see Mitsubishi. Okay, and we also can check with the fan, and it's no dust. It's very clean. And also we can check in more details in this way. Okay, and follow it, and we can see all the connecting and all the journey. Yeah, it's very clean, very clean. Okay, the distinguished customers, and today I'm smiling all the time to show you the machine and show you the details for this machine. If you really need it and you really the demand for your final customers, you can contact with me. This machine, that's good condition. The price is only $50,000 US.